Eunice, this is your document. You can thank me later.
What kind of document is it?
I have no idea. Mr. Daniel told me to pass it on to you. He did not say anything else. Why don't you check it yourself?
Oh, come on. I've been checking on this contract 1,000 of times already. What was wrong with this?
I'm afraid I can't help you with that. Maybe you should be more careful with your work.
I was very cautious, Mia. Hi, Mia. You can come to my room to take your documents back. I signed them all. Very good, Mia.
Thanks, Mr. Daniel. I did not think that you read it so fast.
I haven't read them yet. I trust you. I know you are such a dedicated worker. I never had to worry about you or your work.
Thank you for your kind words. Eunice, do you want to ask Mr. Daniel something? Mr. Daniel, it seems that Eunice needs help.
Yes, look, Mr. Daniel. I have adjusted the data you requested, and I also typed out the other terms in detail. Why do you send it back to me? You don't get it? I wrote on a note behind the document that you need to make another contract. What? I spent 3 days making this one, and now you tell me to make another one? I don't care how much time you put into this work. I just care about the final result. So, in case you don't want to do it, I will ask somebody else. Don't worry, give it to me. Mia, do you have a moment? Please come over here.
Yes, sir. What can I help you with?
No, I will do it. Thanks, Mia. I will handle it by myself.
Fine. I am very busy though.
I want a new contract on my table in 2 hours. It is not fair.
That's life, Eunice.
What happened to Eunice? Why did she look annoying?
Nothing. She just screwed up everything again.
Really? Does Mr. Daniel still make it hard on her? I'm really curious. Why does he always get Eunice in trouble?
You did not hear about the rumor?
No, what is that?
I heard that they were in love before, but Eunice broke up with him. She got married to another man. Since then, they have turned into the enemies.
Really? That is insane. Poor the girl.
Hey, I'll tell you something. If you don't want to get into troubles, then you should stay away from her. To stay alive in this company, you need to pick a side.
Sarah, excuse me. Could I ask you something? Yeah, Eunice, what was that? Mr. Daniel just asked me to make this contract again, but it is almost time for me to pick up my little girl at school. Can you help me a little bit? I will be back in just 15 more minutes.
Sarah, have you finished designing the poster for our new product? I need it now.
Not yet. Sorry, Eunice, I cannot help with that. I'm really busy right now. Okay. Let me ask someone else. Tim, please, can you do me a favor?
Oh, sorry, Eunice. I am in a hurry. Next time I will help you. Sorry, I must go now. Eunice, let me help you. Mr. Daniel has gone out already. I thought he would not come back in 15 more minutes. You better hurry.
Thanks, Mia. I called my husband a couple of times, but he did not pick up the phone. I'm worried that my daughter is waiting for her parents right now. I have no choice. I will be back soon. Please don't say anything to the boss.
Sure, be safe.
Oh, I'm back. Is everything alright? Did anyone ask anything about me?
Unfortunately, yes. Mr. Daniel just came back after you left about 5 minutes later. He asked me about you. I did not want to say anything, but you know me, I could not lie to him. Sorry, Eunice.
Oh no. Eunice, where have you been? Our guest called me to discuss the contract. I needed you to talk to him. But where were you? I'm sorry, I went out to pick up my daughter for 15 minutes. I can call him back. No, it is too late already. I let somebody else to take care of that task. You don't have to worry about that anymore. I'm kind of disappointed in you. What? I cannot believe what I have just heard. Why did you do that? I just picked my daughter up for 15 minutes. Is it not a big deal? What should I have done? My daughter needed me. Where is your husband? Why didn't he pick her up? Was he there? Are you crazy? How could you talk like that about my husband?
Hey, everyone, please come down. Please, we are still on working time.
You shut your mouth up.
What? How dare you?
You stole my work and now you're trying to act like an angel? You thought I was an idiot? I knew what you did behind my back.
Please stop accusing me. It is not fair. I did not do anything. I can swear to God.
Not fair? It is not fair to me, not to you. Hey, stop there. You are not professional now. I can fire you for that. I don't give a damn. That's bullshit. All of you are cruel to me.
Not me, Eunice. Neither do I. I am your friend, remember?
Friend? What kind of friend are you? All of you are bullying me at work. How could you call yourself a friend of mine?
Uh-oh. I did everything I could to help you.
No, you did not. I know that you created a group on Facebook and spread rumor about me. I know that you tried to steal my clients. I know that you elected Daniel to be the manager, not me. I know all of that.
How did she know about that? I don't know. Maybe she is not as stupid as we thought.
Can you stop all of that? Don't you think that you have done something that made everyone hate you? What have I done? I always try to be friendly and helpful at work. I try my best to be nice to you. I never complained about anything. But look at you. Why are you being so mean to me? Why do you treat me unequally? You are fired. You can pack your things, Eunice. We don't want a worker without self-discipline. Goodbye.
We are so sorry to hear that, Eunice. Let me help you pack your things. We will miss you. Let's walk you to the door. Go to hell, all of you.